Guys, welcome to the next video on PHP for beginners. And in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to declare a variable. So in declaring a variable, there are a lot of things to note before declaring a variable. So to declare a variable starts with a $sign. So to declare a variable, you have to start with a $sign, and then whatever you want your variable to be, whatever name you want your variable to be, you can just give it a maybe my name, or maybe X or Y, or whatever you want it to be. But before declaring, note that in PHP, declaring a variable is case sensitive. So declaring a variable like maybe age like this is different from declaring a variable like this. When you echo this out thinking to get this, you get a different. So this is different from this. It's case sensitive. So declaring a variable this is different from this. Okay, so whatever name you want to give your variable, you can give it your variable. But make sure that whenever you are giving the name of a variable, you start with a letter, not a number or something. Starting your variable like something like this is wrong. It's not a variable. You are not declaring a variable here. That's wrong. You have to start with a letter. And in declaring a variable, they are alphanumeric. So if you want to declare a variable, you have to like start from A, use letters from A to Z, or 0 to 9, or underscore. That's all. These are the things you can use for declaring a variable. Apart from this, you can't use anything else. Okay, you can, with the A to Z, you can either be capital or small letters or anything like that in declaring a variable. So it's case sensitive. So in declaring a variable, you can start with a letter, or you can start it with an underscore. That one too also works, and then you can add whatever name you want. Okay, something like this. But don't start it with a number or anything like that. That's not a variable. Okay, so let's declare a variable X. So to declare a variable X, $X is the variable. So it has to be equal to something. A variable has to be equal to something. So maybe the variable is equal to 5. Okay, it's equal to 5. And in C# or C or Java, in declaring a variable, you have to make sure you declare the type of variable you indicate the type of variable, whether it's boolean or string or something. But in PHP, it converts the variable itself, so it knows this is a number, and it will know something like this is in string or it's in letters, like something like this is in string or it's in letters. Okay, so in PHP it automatically converts this for you. But in C# and then C or Java, you have to declare yourself. So let's say we declare a variable X which is equal to 5. Okay, let's say it like this. So you declare the variable X, right? When you save it, and then let's refresh our page. We are using the same page we created from the start. So yeah, let's refresh the page. When you refresh the page, you get nothing. Okay, you only declared the variable, right? You only declared the variable. You didn't echo it out or anything like that. So if you want to echo the variable out, you can echo it something like this: echo $X, right? And you save the file, and then we refresh our page, and then we get 5. Okay, which X is equal to 5. Okay, you can declare like this. You can echo it out like this. You can also echo it out like something like this, into quotes, and then do $x. This will also work. When we refresh our page, we have the same thing. Okay, and then when you put it into this kind of codes, I don't think it will work. Okay, it won't work with just the one code. It doesn't work. It will just echo out what you wrote inside. Okay, so if you want to echo it out in a code, just put in the double quotes. Okay, and then you get your output. Okay, yeah. And then let's say, you see, I said earlier on that in declaring a variable is case sensitive. So you've declared a variable x, and then here you wanted to echo it out, but you did the capital letter. Okay, you have an error here because this x here is different from this x here. It's case sensitive. The small letter x is this. This is the variable, and we've not declared any variable for this capital X, even though they are the same, but this is capital and this is small, so it won't work. You get an error, something like undeclared variable or something like that. Okay, you see, so undeclared variable X. So that's how it works. So let's declare a variable capital X, and then let's give it maybe, okay, so here we use letters. Let's say this is some letters. Okay, and you close it out like this. Okay, so we save it. So with this echoing, it's going to echo out this. Okay, it's going to echo out this, not this, because this is capital and this is small, and then for here we are echoing out the capital X. So when we refresh, we're going to get this is some letters, which is okay. So we echo out the small x, and when we refresh, we get 5. Okay, so bear in mind it's case sensitive. So this is how to declare a variable. Okay, so let's declare, let's say, 2 different variables with maybe numbers. Okay, so let's say y is equal to maybe 10, right? Okay, so and then we want to echo out the results of x and y. So let's say echo $x plus $y. We're going to get 15 out here because $x, which is 5, here will be 5, and here will be 10. So 5 plus 10 is 15. So we're going to get 15 out here. Okay, an error. Okay, let's check. Okay, yeah, when we declare the variable y, we didn't close it. You know, when you declare a variable, you have to close it. You have to close it like this, and then let's save it, and then when we refresh, we are going to get all 15. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Okay, so and then you can also put it into bracket, put it into quotes, double quotes, and then you still get the same. Okay, you're not gonna get the same answer, so just don't put it into quote. That's all. And if you put it into one quote, I think you're gonna get the same thing. Okay, yeah, you're not gonna get anything like that. So just echo it out like this, and then you are good to go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys more about variables. We have different kinds of variables. We have global, we have static, and we have local variables. I'm going to teach you guys all about that. So like, comment, and subscribe, and ask me any question you want. If you have a question, ask, and I'll get back to you. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.